Top 5 Best Outdoor Propane Patio Heater. Number 5. Hykolity Pyramid Patio Heater. The Hykolity Pyramid Patio Heater stands out with its visually striking pyramid shape, combining form and function to enhance outdoor spaces. With a heat output of 42,000 BTUs, this heater is capable of providing ample warmth for gatherings on chilly evenings. The pyramid design not only makes the Hykolity patio heater an attractive addition to outdoor settings, but also contributes to its efficient heat distribution. The flame is enclosed in a glass tube, creating a mesmerizing visual element while radiating heat in multiple directions. The heater is constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and resistance to the elements. Equipped with a user-friendly electronic ignition system, the Hykolity patio heater is easy to start, and the variable heat control knob allows users to adjust the temperature to their comfort level. The safety features include a tip-over switch and a safety shut-off valve, providing reliable protection during use. Assembly of the Hykolity Pyramid Patio Heater is straightforward, and the unit includes wheels for easy mobility. This combination of style, functionality, and safety makes it a popular choice for those looking to make a statement with their outdoor heating solution. Coming in number 4. Cuisinart COH500 Portable Tabletop Patio. The Cuisinart COH500 Portable Tabletop Patio Heater is a compact and versatile heating solution that is perfect for smaller outdoor spaces or for those who prefer a portable heating option. With a heat output of 12,000 BTUs, this tabletop heater is designed to provide localized warmth, making it an excellent choice for intimate gatherings or outdoor dining. One of the key features of the Cuisinart patio heater is its portability. The lightweight design and integrated handle make it easy to carry and position wherever heat is needed most. Whether placed on a tabletop or on the ground, this heater is a convenient solution for adding warmth to specific areas. The COH500 comes with a one-touch ignition system for quick and easy startup. The adjustable heat control knob allows users to fine-tune the temperature to their liking. The heater also features a safety shut-off valve, providing an added layer of protection during use. While not as powerful as larger patio heaters, the Cuisinart COH500 excels in its compact design and mobility, making it an ideal choice for those with limited outdoor space or for those who value the convenience of a portable heating solution. Coming in number 3. ESTO AK50000 BTU Patio Heater. For those seeking high heat output, the ESTO AK50000 BTU Patio Heater is a top contender. With its impressive heating capacity, this patio heater is designed to warm up larger outdoor spaces, making it suitable for commercial use or spacious residential areas. The ESTO AK patio heater features a robust stainless steel construction, ensuring durability and resistance to the elements. The sleek and modern design adds a touch of sophistication to any outdoor setting, making it a stylish addition to patios, restaurants, or entertainment venues. Equipped with a reliable electronic ignition system, the ESTO AK patio heater is easy to start, providing instant heat without the hassle of manual lighting. The variable heat control knob allows users to customize the warmth level to suit different weather conditions and individual preferences. Safety is a top priority with the ESTO AK patio heater, as evidenced by its anti-tip design and safety shut-off valve. These features provide added peace of mind, especially in busy outdoor settings where the risk of accidental bumps or knocks is higher. Coming in number 2. Hiland HLDSO1-GTSS. The Hiland HLDSO1-GTSS is a stylish and efficient outdoor propane patio heater that combines functionality with an eye-catching design. Boasting a heat output of 40,000 BTUs, this heater is suitable for a variety of outdoor settings, including patios, decks, and gardens. One standout feature of the Hiland patio heater is its attractive pyramid shape, which not only provides heat but also serves as a decorative element for outdoor spaces. The unique design creates a visually appealing focal point while delivering warmth to those in its vicinity. The unit is constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and resistance to the rigors of outdoor use. Equipped with a variable control knob, users can easily adjust the heat output to achieve the desired level of warmth. The Hiland patio heater also includes a safety tip-over switch, enhancing its safety features. The anti-tilt switch automatically shuts off the heater if it is accidentally knocked over, preventing accidents and potential damage. Assembly of the Hiland patio heater is straightforward, and the unit comes with a convenient wheel assembly for easy mobility. The stainless steel construction adds to its longevity and corrosion resistance, making it a reliable choice for outdoor heating needs. Coming in number 1. Amazon Basics 46,000 BTU Outdoor Propane Patio Heater. The Amazon Basics 46,000 BTU Outdoor Propane Patio Heater is a popular choice among consumers seeking an efficient and reliable heating solution for outdoor spaces. With a powerful heat output of 46,000 BTUs, this patio heater can effectively warm up a large area, making it ideal for chilly evenings or cool outdoor gatherings. Equipped with a user-friendly ignition system, the Amazon Basics patio heater is easy to start, providing instant warmth at the push of a button. The heater is crafted from durable materials, ensuring longevity and resistance to outdoor elements. Its stainless steel construction not only enhances its durability but also adds a sleek and modern aesthetic to any outdoor setting. Designed with safety in mind, the Amazon Basics patio heater features a tip-over protection mechanism and a safety shutoff valve. These safety features provide peace of mind for users, especially in windy conditions or in the presence of pets and children. The heater also comes with a variable heat control knob, allowing users to adjust the temperature according to their comfort level. One notable feature of the Amazon Basics patio heater is its convenient wheels, which make it easy to move the unit around the patio or deck. This portability adds to the overall versatility of the heater, enabling users to position it wherever heat is needed most.